Hey, Gita.
Hi, Vince.
So we're really looking forward to you presenting in November, and
Wonderful.
I'd like to know what has spurred this line of inquiry for you.
Well, I started looking at what this whole individuation process and what contributes to it. And I began to explore in more detail the family of origin. And certainly we've looked at trauma. And I also
Mhm.
was intrigued to think about how resiliency gets transmitted. I had a student who from Ghana who really uh, emphasized how important connecting with the ancestors to appreciate the strength that they impart and the resiliency that
Uh-huh.
they impart, in addition to whatever hardships they've gone through, but how important it was to look to our ancestry and our lineage to carry us forward into the future with whatever challenges we're facing. I really took seriously Carl Jung's statement that, our ancestors have unfinished business and we take it on. And that's part of our legacy. It's part of what we work with in our own process.
Sounds lovely. I can't wait.
Great.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm really looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing all of you.